In this video, we focus on how to professionally handle customer requests for referrals.
So you talked a lot about before the sale, setting the appointment. So I have a question for a little bit of a call guide for after the sale and ways to mine after the sale and being able to potentially get a referral, so on and so forth, just something like that.
Yeah, totally. So the referral call guide. When you call up buyers asking for a referral after the sale is definitely a great way to expand your book of business, right? So you call the customer up, and one of my favorite old school lines is, buyer, something I'm very, very proud of is actually the majority of my business comes from repeat and referral buyers. People like yourself. Out of all the people that you know, or maybe in the household, even if they're not ready to buy a car right now, who do you think would most likely be next out of all the people you know, even if it's not right now? Who do you think would most likely be next?
My neighbor.
Oh, what makes you say your neighbor?
They're driving a shitty car. I can hear them pulling every day.
Oh, nice. Awesome. What do they drive?
Not a Jeep.
Not a Jeep. All right, we got to get them in the Jeep family.
Honda Accord.
Please feel free to pass my information on to your neighbor. And if it's okay with you, if it's not too intrusive, I can even email them, text them, if that's okay. And you just try and ease into it. So something I'm very proud of is the majority of my business comes from repeat and referral buyers. For people like yourself, out of everybody you know, even if they're not in the market right now, who do you think would most likely be next? What makes you say them? Oh, nice. What are they driving? And you got to kind of ease into it. Make sense?